What can I do if my Cricut is not cutting vinyl properly?
Hello, craft enthusiasts. Are you having trouble with your Cricut not cutting vinyl properly? You've come to the right place. Today we'll discuss various reasons why your Cricut might not be cutting vinyl as expected, and more importantly, we'll explore how to fix these issues.
Are you using the correct blade?
The first thing you should check is whether you're using the correct blade for cutting vinyl. For Cricut machines, the fine point blade is usually the best for cutting vinyl. Make sure the blade is clean and free of any debris. If it's dull or damaged, you may need to replace it.
Is your vinyl loaded properly?
Next, ensure your vinyl is loaded properly onto the mat. It should be smooth, with no wrinkles or bubbles. Make sure you're using a mat with the appropriate grip strength. For most vinyl types, a standard grip mat works well.
Have you selected the right material settings?
Choosing the right material settings in the Cricut design space is critical. Check to see if you've selected the correct material type for your vinyl. If you're unsure, run a test cut with a small shape to avoid wasting material.
Are your machine and software updated?
Keep your Cricut machine and software up to date. Firmware and software updates often come with bug fixes that can resolve cutting issues.
Is your Cricut machine clean?
Lastly, remember that regular maintenance can prevent many problems. Ensure that your machine is clean and free of dust or debris. Pay special attention to the blade housing and drive gears. There you have it. These are some of the common issues that might be causing your Cricut machine not to cut vinyl properly. By checking the blade, ensuring proper vinyl loading, selecting the correct material settings, updating your machine and software, and maintaining cleanliness, you should be able to resolve most cutting issues. We hope this video has been helpful, and you'll be back crafting with your Cricut in no time.